Hello, I'm a man with a beard eating soup. And today on the show, I'm eating chili. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah. It has good texture. There's a little kick to this. I'm feeling it. Starting to feel the heat. Man, I'm starting to sweat. My taste buds are just out of control right now. I just dropped chili on myself. That's how good it is. I'm wearing no bib because I don't fear anything. If I were to say what chili reminds me of, it's like being set on fire walking down the Appalachian Mountains.